Welcome to Digital Magnate. In today's quick tutorial, we'll show you how to fix the briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance error on your WordPress site. Let's get started. This error typically occurs when WordPress is in the process of updating plugins or themes, but the update gets interrupted. It leaves your website stuck in maintenance mode, and visitors can't access it. First, you'll need to access your site files. You can do this using FTP or through your hosting control panel's file manager. Next, go to your WordPress root directory where you'll find a hidden file named maintenance. Make sure you can view hidden files. Once you've located the maintenance file, simply delete it. This will bring your site out of maintenance mode immediately. Before you check your website, delete your browser cookies and cache. After that, open your site in an incognito or private window to avoid any caching issues. Now, go ahead and visit your website. It should be live again. If the problem persists, check for incomplete updates or plugin conflicts. That's it. You've successfully fixed the issue. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Digital Magnate for more WordPress tips and tutorials. See you next time.